It's been a long time that I have not made any video while driving or traveling, so I thought, okay, why not create this video over here? Because I was actually having a conversation with one of my known person, and I realized this particular thing is a common factor for a lot of people out there. So most of my clients, they at the beginning start with this thing, okay? I don't have time. I don't have enough time. I have been doing this formula, that formula, applying the urgent, important technique, doing the Pomodoro technique and everything, but nothing seems to work. Well, first of all, let's understand one thing, that yes, the only thing fixed is 24 hours, right? But the other things, like let's say the things that you have to do in your daily life, it is not same for every person out there. So let's say you are a person running a big team. Let's say you are a working woman managing kids, home and business, right? So let's say you are somebody who is juggling your work and starting a business side by side. And let's say you are already an existing business owner who is managing many teams together. So the point is, if you have to get things done and you also have to get things done within the designated time frame, but you tried out every formula out there, nothing is working, then maybe this technique is definitely going to help you, because it is so simple and you can practically apply it anywhere. And that is, let's say you have 10 things to do in any particular day, and you have set what is your urgent priority, what is your important priority, what are the things that can be taken after the urgent tasks have been done, etc. Right? So now let's say there are at least 4 to 5 important or urgent things that you have to do in that day, and it just seems so overwhelming to you what can be done, and at the end of the day then you feel like, oh, I couldn't accomplish much, and you always stay in that guilt mode. You keep going back to that guilt mode because you have not been able to complete these things, right? So how about whatever the number of activities you have in a particular day, or whatever your priority list is, you keep a bare minimum thing. What do I mean by that? So let's say there are 10 things that you need to do in any particular day, and out of those 10 things, there are 3 things which are very important and urgent, which you have to complete that day. Now let's say those 3 things are taking so much of time that the remaining things you are not able to focus, remaining things you are not able to complete. So how about you keep something called as bare minimum, that if today I am able to complete these 2 things out of these 10 things, okay, although 3 things are urgent, but I am able to complete these 2 things out of all these lists, okay, I will feel accomplished and I will get the remaining things done once this is done, because I am completing my bare minimum stuff. What is going to happen is, after you complete the bare minimum, this is going to help you psychologically into helping you not to get in the guilt factor, because most of your time, your energy is wasted when you feel guilty. And it's a complete psychological trap. So that is definitely going to help you in that. Second thing is, once you have completed the bare minimum, now you can clean focus as to what is my next step. Now let me take on the next step. So what happens is, when you put a bare minimum, so let me give you an example. You have set your wake up time at 5 a.m. and you have decided that I'm going to complete all my morning ritual activities and everything by 8 a.m. max. I'll get ready and be ready for work by that time. So now what's happening is, you someday are not able to get up at 5. So let's say you got up at 6, okay, so 1 hour got wasted. So now you feel guilty early in the morning, okay? So how about you then do things to complete within 8 a.m., something like this, okay? This is just as an example. Let's say you work out typically for 30 minutes a day. Let's say you meditate for 15-20 minutes every morning. Let's say you journal. Let's say you have your breakfast at a particular time, whatever it is. How about when you wake up late by chance, you reduce the timing, but you ensure you do everything. For example, instead of 30 minutes workout, you reduce it to 10 to 15 minutes. Instead of 15-20 minutes meditation, you reduce it to 10 minutes. Okay, something like this. What is going to happen when you reduce and adjust the timing of each activity, and you are not leaving out anything, by the way, then you will feel that I have done everything today despite me waking up late. So what is going to happen? This is your bare minimum, that okay, I have 1 hour less, but I am able to do things that I'm supposed to do even with short span of time. So you are covering every activity full-fledgedly. Okay, it's not about cheating or taking things out from your designated time. It's just that you are adjusting temporarily for the time being to cover and do each and everything. So try it and see where you can apply, and keep ready the bare minimum, because bare minimum is not something that you are going to apply every single day, but you are going to apply it on the days where you feel there is too much of things going on. And once you start applying this technique, the first biggest factor that is going to help is you are not going to feel overwhelmed and not feel guilty. That is the killer for everything, because once you get into a guilt phase, the time that you take, to come out of it, the energy gets wasted, the focus gets wasted, you are constantly in that mode, a lot of things, right? So that is definitely going to help you. So apply this technique anywhere, any day, and let me know how it goes. So see you soon in the next video. Namaskaram.